Well, hello and welcome back to PriApps. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of PriApps Mobile, the BlackBerry printing app. PriApps Mobile can be accessed via the icon, which I've moved from the downloads folder to the home screen for convenience. And if you go into the setup application, you're presented with the view of the current network profile that you're on. As you can see here, I've got one printer already available to me on this Wi-Fi network. If I look at the menu options, I have a number of options. If I have more than one printer, I can select a default by using the Make Selected option. I can print a test page. I can delete a printer. I can have a look at the printer's properties, if I so desire, see the IP address in the description. What else can I do? I can search for printers. Here I'm going to search my Wi-Fi network and see if there's any other printers available to me. I select the search option, and there I've got two. I'm going to stop it there because I don't want to go through the full IP range search. I can then add the new printers I've found to my profile. I can then change the default printer using the Make Selected option, and that will be the printer that I shall use moving forward. I can also add a printer manually if I have a IP address of that printer, and I can view some of the other Wi-Fi networks that I've stored some information on, such as their printers. So if I can expand a profile, I can see that there's a number of printers on this smart event network, and I've already defined a default device. I can register online at priapps.com. I can look at the version number and a bit of information about the product. I can also use this setup wizard if I want to kind of take me through a step-by-step process in finding and configuring printers on PriApps Mobile. There's also a few other useful options here. There's a help facility that has some information about how you find a printer. There's the information on the setup wizard, and I also have an advanced tab which allows me to change things like the SNMP timeout, which is useful if I have printers on the network that sometimes go into power save mode, which just need to wake them up. And I can also reset all the functionality back to the original settings. So once I've actually found my printers and saved them in my Wi-Fi profile, I do not actually need to go back into the PriApps Mobile application. I simply go to the application I want to print from, select the print option from the menu, and here I get a confirmation screen that allows me to either print the email body in this example or a couple of attachments. One of the attachments is actually highlighted in red, which indicates that I haven't actually downloaded that attachment yet. So I'm going to select the attachment that's highlighted in green for go, and I'm going to confirm that, and that will be sent to the printer. I can go into my text message, again use the menu option and confirm to send the job to the printer. I can go into my calendar and again selecting the print option. Here I have a number of variables that I can select. I can change the date. Let's go forward a couple of days. I can select to print either a day or a week or a month, and I can either have the standard working hours or the 24-hour calendar itinerary. Confirm that. Again, it's sent off to the printer. Quite fast and easy, as you can see. Contacts, very much the same. Got print a contact, it will print the contact information you have stored on your device. And last but not least, let's go in and we can print some photographs. So go into the photographs, select the print picture option, confirm that, and it's sent to, in this case it's sent to the gateway, PriApps Mobile gateway, which allows you to print to locally attached devices. And that's also given me the option to manipulate my picture. You know, I might want to print 2 copies or change the dimensions. I can also, through the media application, go to the file manager, as it were, navigate my way to where my documents are stored, select the document, use the menu option to print that document, again confirm it, and that's sent to the printer. So as you can see, it's a fairly powerful application, prints directly to printers, or when you're printing Microsoft Office documents or OpenOffice documents, or want to print to locally attached devices, you print via the PriApps Mobile gateway. No clouds to get in your way. Hopefully we'll be bringing a lot more powerful features for you in the future, but that's what we've got for you today, so enjoy.